10 money rules that will make you rich. Did you know that the wealthiest 1% of people on this planet, including financial moguls like Warren Buffett, own nearly half of the world's wealth? But the path to financial freedom is not just for the elite. It's paved with smart decisions and consistent financial education. And well, in today's fast-paced world, where we often get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to overlook the bigger picture. What if I told you that by the end of this video, you could have the tools and knowledge to rewrite your financial story? Because we will be revealing the 10 money rules that will make you rich. They are the steps toward financial education. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. Pay yourself first. Paying yourself first means allocating a portion of your income for future needs before spending a single cent from your paycheck. It starts with creating a monthly budget that outlines your saving and spending goals. If you're new to this, the 50-30-20 budgeting approach is your best friend. In this method, you earmark 50% of your income for essential daily expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Another 30% is designated for enjoyable extras such as vacations, entertainment, and dining out. The remaining 20% is diligently stashed away in your savings account. By practicing this pay yourself first philosophy, you're building a financial cushion for future investments, ultimately securing your financial well-being. Essentially, it's all about making your money work for you down the road, so you don't have to toil as hard. And guess what? That's precisely how wealthy individuals achieve their high-quality, work-optional lifestyles. 2. Knowledge is key. Acquiring knowledge plays a crucial role in pursuing wealth and financial success. Warren Buffett once said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." So always prioritize knowledge. Before taking any action with your finances, it's essential to gain a comprehensive understanding of the processes involved. This means delving into the intricacies of businesses and financial instruments, or seeking guidance from experts who possess that knowledge. However, it's equally vital to recognize that excessive information, or wrong data, can lead to financial setbacks or failures. In some cases, having less information can be more beneficial. It's worth noting that relying on news sources for financial information can often be unreliable and emotionally charged, potentially influencing poor decisions. So, it's prudent to exercise wisdom in utilizing information effectively and at the right moment. 3. Optimize your spending. The third money rule for becoming wealthy is all about spending money wisely. There is no need to judge if someone likes to spend a lot or a little. What really matters is being able to buy the things you want while being smart about it. Let's say someone really wants a fancy car, like a Ferrari. Even if they have plenty of money, hunting for good deals and trying to get the best price possible is still a good idea. The trick here is to be savvy with spending, especially regarding big expenses like cars, insurance, and healthcare. Most folks choose the most accessible option or don't think too much about it, but wealthy people do things differently. They take a moment to think and pick the choice that gives them the most bang for their buck. So, to start your journey toward becoming rich, start paying attention to how money is spent and aim to make the wisest choices. 4. Creating multiple income streams. With the world moving online, there's been a surge in people wanting to learn how to make money online. From investing in stocks to starting e-commerce stores, the possibilities are endless. And so building several income streams, especially passive ones, is a smart way to accumulate wealth gradually. Passive income includes money you earn from investments, rental properties, royalties, and any income that comes in without you needing to be actively involved. You don't have to be an entrepreneur to create multiple income streams. For instance, you can invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate to diversify your earnings. Alternatively, you can put your skills and talents to work through freelancing or consulting. By establishing multiple income streams, you not only increase your overall income, but also create a financial safety net for unexpected financial challenges. Interestingly, more than 60% of the world's billionaires are self-made and achieved their billionaire status by starting their own businesses. While you may not become a billionaire by launching a small business, having one can protect you from financial setbacks if you lose another source of income. 5. Starve the taxman. Irrespective of your income level, it's crucial to consider ways to reduce your taxes. Taxes consistently impact your income and investment returns, potentially impeding your wealth-building efforts over time. For example, over the last 30 years, the S&P 500 showed an average annual nominal return of 11.09%. However, when you factor in taxes, fees, and inflation, the actual return for an investor would have been only 5.97% as reported. Taxes, fees, and inflation could wipe out 46% of your return. However, there are several steps you can take to minimize your tax burden. Firstly, consider utilizing tax-deferred investment accounts. Make the most of your 401k or 403b plans. Explore individual retirement accounts and leverage health spending accounts. If you aim to preserve your wealth and not hand it all over to the government, then keeping taxes in mind should be a top priority when making any financial decisions. 6. Save, save, save. A well-known saying making the rounds lately is carpe diem, live in the moment. But just like Dave Ramsey always emphasizes, it's essential to save diligently. And unfortunately, many people misinterpret this, shifting their focus away from the future and concentrating solely on immediate pleasures and short-term gains. Consider the famous marshmallow test, a scenario where most people would likely struggle with delayed gratification. However, changing your approach is crucial if your goal is to accumulate wealth, and saving money as soon as possible is crucial. This means prioritizing yourself by setting aside a portion of your monthly income before allocating funds to other expenses or individuals. There are countless examples of celebrities who've experienced massive financial success only to face bankruptcy shortly after. Don't follow in their footsteps. 7. Learn how not to lose money. It's no surprise that Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, frequently stresses the importance of financial education, and part of that is understanding where your money goes. Avoiding unnecessary financial losses should be a top priority. It's worth dedicating some time, even if it's not your favorite activity, to understand how things work and find ways to pay less instead of defaulting to paying more. Moreover, always read everything carefully before signing any documents, as many hidden fees can be found in various places. Most people are unaware of these fees, which means they might not realize that institutions, companies, or other individuals are drawing off money from their accounts month after month without their knowledge. 8. Invest and invest in what you know. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or other ventures, knowledge is your best ally. While earning money is your initial effort, you need your money to team up with the power of compound interest over time to grow your wealth. What does this entail? It means you should consider investing. And well, here's the deal. Over the past 6 decades, the average return on the S&P 500, adjusted for inflation, has been around 7%. To build wealth, you need your money not just to sit there, but to grow and generate more money for you. You want to begin constructing income streams with your money, with the ultimate goal of your initial hard work paving the way for future passive income streams. Now, when it comes to investing in what you know, if you're a passionate wine enthusiast who knows the ins and outs of different wine brands and the industry, you might consider investing in wine. 9. Diversify your investment portfolio. Investing isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy, and a crucial aspect of wealth accumulation involves safeguarding your assets. This entails reducing avoidable risks. Diversifying your investment helps mitigate risk by ensuring you don't have all your assets concentrated in a single investment. Engaging in various investment types, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, precious metals, and other assets, can yield passive income. Through diversification, you become less exposed to the fluctuations of any single investment and position yourself to benefit from different market conditions. 10. Plan for emergencies. An emergency fund is money set aside to handle unexpected future expenses, such as losing your job, dealing with a serious illness, or covering major repairs to your home or car, among other unforeseen circumstances. This fund is a financial safety net, helping you avoid financial distress and enhancing your overall financial security. Having money tucked away in an emergency savings account is a significant component of your journey to wealth creation. It shields you from falling into the costly trap of emergency debt. When your car breaks down or you face unexpected expenses, you won't have to dip into your regular spending money or tap into savings earmarked for other financial goals. With an emergency fund, you can navigate these unexpected challenges without accumulating debt, ensuring timely payments, and staying on track toward financial freedom. Remember, wealth isn't reserved for the elite. It's an opportunity open to all willing to embrace it. So let me leave you with a question. What's your next financial move? Will it be setting up an emergency fund, diversifying your investments, or learning to optimize your spending? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.